Basketball U. Guess what? I'm back. Yeah, Basketball U. It's the Daily Trainer, and I'm back once again to give you one more exercise to get you closer to getting better than ever. But first, remember the questions you got to ask yourself. And what are those questions? Are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? And can you make plays while you're tired? Yes, those are going to be the magic questions of the week. And you will check those boxes as you continue to work hard through each and every workout that we have planned for you. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to go straight into warming up because we are in the middle of the week. A little soreness here and there, but we have to make sure that we are able to accomplish each and every drill at full capacity. So when doing this, you want to make sure you're nice and warmed up. Now, again, you can refer to other episodes that let you know exactly what to do through a whole entire warm-up. This one's quick, this one's easy, okay? We're gonna warm up with, you thought I was gonna say stretching. No. We're gonna warm up with a hot 17 with that basketball. So we're doing a quick 17, okay? Remember, that's sideline to sideline, or you can set up a distance at your house, whether it's the driveway grass area to grass area, or it's from your garage to your street, okay? Whatever works for you. I don't recommend you running the street because there's cars, going back and forth, and just don't want you to hold up traffic, all right? So we're gonna warm up with a 17, and then we got jump ropes. Okay, you got double leg jump ropes, and then you have your single leg jump ropes, and that's how we're going to start our warm up. In the jump ropes, you're going to do 4 sets of 100. So that could be a 1 set of single leg jump hundreds with the left and the right leg, so that would be 200, and then you can do 2 sets of double leg jumps. So whatever you want to do that you feel will get you warmed up, but that will get you balanced out and everything flowing and ready to get going. All right, now we're gonna throw in another shooting drill today, which is nice as we work on shooting. But first, with our shooting, we're going to get into form shooting. Always revisit that form shooting every day if you get an opportunity. I know it can be time consuming, but I just want you to do a quick 53 drill where you're going to make 5 on the outside block, right side, left side, and then you're going to make 5 in the middle. Okay. Today we're going to try to swish all of them. All right. And then you're going to step back just a little bit, and then you're going to try to give me 3 swishes from those 5, okay? But just stepping back, same spots, all right? So we're gonna do that. We're only gonna do 1 set, 5, 5, 5, then 3, 3, 3, all right? And this is all form shooting. So whether you're a righty or a lefty, please work on that form. Make sure you're snapping that wrist. Make sure you got the follow through, and make sure you're not just shooting to make it. Make sure you're shooting with that same repetition to get that muscle memory, to get the feel of what it feels like to make the shot. Okay, are we going to shoot every shot the same? No, we're not going to, because the game doesn't allow us to do that when we're playing live. But you have to have a base or a foundation of some kind to understand whether or not you know how to shoot. Okay, so be working on that foundation for your shot. All right, and then we're getting into the new shooting drill. The new shooting drill will just be going into pulling up at the mid-range level, okay? It's going to be 3, you're going 3 levels of shooting, okay? And we're going to bank shot this shot, okay? Because I want you to work on the consistency of hitting that same spot every time. So we're going to work on banking that shot in, and it's going to be difficult when you first do it, but we got to go close range, then you're going to step back a little bit more, and then you're going to step back a little bit more. But we're going to keep it all mid-range. We're only going 3 levels, but 3 levels within the mid-range. So don't get that 3 levels confused with our 3-level shooting, which we will do here in just a second. But it is going to be kind of similar in that way, but you're going to do it on the right side and on the left side. No banks in the middle. We typically don't bank in the middle unless we're shooting a floater. All right. So let's make 4 just because it's a hard drill. Let's go 2 times through. So you're going to make 4 on the right side on the first level, second level, third level, and the same thing again. And then let's try it again just to see if we get a little bit better at it. All right. And then after that, you're going to go into floaters. Okay. After you go into floaters, right, that'll be 5 on each side with the right hand, and you can go right hand on the left side too. But if you feel like you want to be ambidextrous with it, then we're going to go 5 on the left and 5 on the right with the left hand, and then 5 with the right hand. So whatever you choose to do, that's great. And then also don't forget the 5 in the middle. Today, let's not touch the backboard at all when we're doing our floaters. We're only going to do 1 set. All right. And then we're going to go to our 3-level shooting, which you guys are definitely familiar with. And then we will conclude with that. The 3-level shooting will be 3 sets. Remember, you're just making 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1 shot at each level. And then we're going to shoot free throws after. Free throws. Everybody loves free throws. I need you to make 15 free throws a day. Not really concerned with the percentage. Just want you to make some shots at the free throw line. All right. And that is typically going to be it for our shooting drills today. Getting in some agility today. That is what we're going to do. We're going to get some agility in today and then splash with a little bit of defense. So we are going to work our agility drills just to warm those feet back up and get things going. Okay. We got our quick feet. Okay. We got our hurdles. Okay. We got our 2 feet simultaneously going at the same time. Then we have our side going, and then we have our hurdles. Okay. And then I want broad jumps. Okay. So we're going to do broad jumps with 1 leg landing on 2, and then we're going to also do it with 2 legs. Okay. We are going to do 4 sets of all of these. Okay. So 4 sets. So 4 sets of broad jumps at 6 reps. So you're going to jump 6 times, and that'll be 1 set. And then you're doing 4 sets of the quick feet, the hurdles, the jumps, all those different things for agility today. All right. And then we're going to mix it in with the defense. We're going to go lane to lane. I love lane to lane. You guys don't like it. I love it. Okay. And then we're going to go our 6-cone drill. And then we're also going to throw in the 1-legged square hops. Okay. It's really a consistent drill that helps build that ankle strength, really the Achilles, because you're really putting that pressure on there. And those hamstrings get a little tight too, which I felt a couple times doing that drill. And then we're going to do speed skaters as well. And that is going to be another 4-set, 6-rep situation. So looking at it again, we got our broad jumps. Okay. We got our lane to lane slides. We have our 6-cone drill. We have our 1-leg hop square jumps. And then we have our speed skaters. Okay. So we're going to do all that for agility today. And then we have our conditioning. Oh, yes, I know. Why? Why must you always give us conditioning? We're working hard enough in our workout. But guess what? That only allows you to be in shape. I need you to be in the what? Best shape. Yes, you're getting it now. That's all I wanted you to. If you're saying it in your head before it even comes out or before I even finish the sentence, then I know you're getting it. All right. So we want to go ahead and hit you with another 17. Gotta do it. We've got to do it. Then I want to hit you with the liner drill today. Okay. So we're going to do a liner drill. And then I'm going to introduce you to a new conditioning drill next week. I was going to give it to you today, but I feel like after doing the 17 and the liner, it's going to be a little bit, them legs going to be barking a little bit. So we don't want to do that to you today. And that's it, man. We want you guys to be the best you can be. Remember, adult trying to train for just being in shape, kids in training to learn the game of basketball, people training for the season. This is all just free, focused training for you. I'm going to continue to give you more and more and more. I don't want to give you too much too fast, because if there's too much, then what are you really getting better at? So that's what you always have to remember. It's not so much about the workouts being the same or seeing the same clips. It is about whether or not we're getting better at them, right? So are you getting better every day, competing with yourself, knowing that you are better, right? That you are being the best athlete that you can be, and no one is competing at your level that you've set for yourself, all right? And don't forget this, someone's always working. Are you?